Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining in. Today we're going to play a random game. It will not be edited, and I will try my best to explain what I'm thinking and hopefully teach you a trick or two on how to solve these type of games. Let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, I like to do columns first. That's these cards and over here. And then, of course, draw pile next. I like to save early cards and draw piles insurance if it's possible. Looks like it's not possible here, but we're gonna go back here. So, okay, we see a 4, go under a 5. We can play this 3, and we can play this 2. Interesting situation here. We've got 2 9s. Red 9s it is. We could move one of them here. Do we want to move this one here and go with the 2 kings, or do we want to go this one? Well, we don't know yet, so we're going to play this 9 and see what happens. There's an 8. Okay, we can move that. As a general rule, I will take this move if it opens up a column. This doesn't open up a column, so I'm going to undo it. But it could be tricky. We may need the 6, provided there's like a red 7 or something, where it does open the column. So we don't know that yet. We're also going to take a look at this 9 right here. And the question is, do one of these 2 kings open up another column? Let's play this king and find out. Ace of diamonds. Okay, dead end. Let's go back. Play the king of clubs. It's probably not going to open up, but you never know. It doesn't. So we have 4 clubs and 5 of hearts. We can actually play those 2 cards together, but we need to open up another column, right? So there's a jack, nothing near, and we should probably take this back, yeah, because we needed, on this one, we needed a red 7. A red 7 would open up this column, so let's just go through and see what we got here. We're going to save this as insurance. Not going to play it yet. We will get to it. But we want to see what else is. Oh, there it is, a red 7. It looks like this is going to be our option here. So, 9, 8, and oh, we can play the red 7 here, and now we can open up this column. Oh, a jack. Not what we wanted to see, but again, a red queen will move the jack over here and give us some space. So, we're gonna go with that for now, and then we'll see what develops here. So now let's see, our queen, this queen was our insurance, so we're going to see what else is out here. Oh, that's nice, because we can play the red jack underneath it, and then we can move this 10. We may be playing the queen right now, I'm not sure yet. I want to see if there's any other moves, because you want to go through this draw pile as many times as you can and try to look for different ways to manipulate, and just, you want to maximize the number of chances you get. So in this case right here, we are going to go... Oh boy, this is a tricky one. There are 2 red jacks. I feel like I'm going to play this red jack here, but I'm giving up insurance. Oh boy. Alright. We are going to play... We wanted to play a red queen too, but we can't move the 6. I generally do not like to play the second red jack of the 2, but I think that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to pull this queen and move the ace and the other ace. And then we're going to play this jack right now. And then we're going to pull the... Which 10 do we pull is kind of the question. Do we want to pull this 10 or do we want to pull this 10? We don't know. Again, we're going to try this 10 and see what happens. Red queen. Oh, that's too perfect of a card. We almost have to... Yeah, we have to play this here. So, red queen here, jack here. Now we can, I think, move these kings, but let's see what else we got here. 2 of diamonds. Generally speaking, if you get a low card like this, don't move it down. It can bottleneck it. Just something to keep in mind there. So we have another red king. And then, oh boy, this is going to be fun. We've got a lot of options here. I'm going to see what these 2 options just one more time. So that was the ace of diamonds on this one. And oh, that was a 4 and a 5 too, wasn't it? 4, 5, 6. I think we're going to see if we can open up another column here, because we got the 4, the 5, and the can go into the 6. We'll open up 2 columns, so we'll see what we get. And we get a 3 of diamonds. Okay, that's good. We'll move that there. Now the ace of spades can go up top. That's kind of cool. Oh, we opened up a column. That's good. And this 3 of hearts can also go up as well. This 8 of clubs, we'll open up that column a little more. Not all the way, of course. Oh, that's perfect. We can move our king down right here. And, of course, we can play our only other black queens. There's a queen of spades. We'll play it right here. Oh, this is great. We're getting really lucky today. I think we've got this solved. We'll move the 9 of spades there. 2 of spades will go up top. We got the 3 of spades up top. And, yeah, we've got 4 columns open for the kings, so that's good. We just need to figure out how to get these cards out without messing it up, and we'll be good. So 7, we're going to move down. And we're going to try to go from the back. We're at the back of the draw pile anyway. Going to try to go to the back, and then we'll work our way to the front. So this jack is going to be our new insurance card. We're going to play that as the last resort. We can play the 2 of clubs, 3 of clubs. Let's see, 4 of hearts. We'd like to play diamonds and then get this 5 open here. We'll keep trying here. Let's see, we'll bring the 4 diamonds down, 2 of diamonds. Yeah, we're just going to, we can move diamond 3, 4 diamonds, 5 of diamonds up. Now we can play the 4 of clubs, and we can open up this column here. That's an 8. We can pull down the 7. And we're just going to get the rest of these cards out. And then, of course, yeah, we're going to solve it here. So let's see what's in the back here. Bring that 6 of hearts down, and it looks like we can bring a king. Oh, we can bring the spades down. 4 of spades, 5 of spades. I think the king will be showing right there. Yep, it will. And now I think we have to get to this jack here. What we need to do is get this queen out. So we're going to play the jack. We're going to play the 6 of diamonds, and I think, yeah, we're going to play the queen right now. Don't like to play them all at once if it's possible. You know what? We're not going to play them all here. Let's put the queen back. We want this 10 of spades to drop next time. So we're only going to play that sequence. 10 of spades should drop right there. And let's see. Yeah, so now we just got to figure out how to get a bunch of cards up top. So let's start with clubs. 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs, 8 of clubs. Now we can move this 9 of clubs up. Okay, next on the checklist is diamonds. And we're going to, if you see there's a 7 of diamonds and the 7 of hearts, well, you notice there's a 6 of spades. We're going to shift that over. So 6 of spades goes here, 7 of diamonds up, 8 of diamonds up. Now we need to figure out how to get this 9 of diamonds up. If you'll notice, there's 2 red 9s, and you're probably guessing right now that if you move the 8 of spades over, you can move the 9 of diamonds up, and you're correct. We're going to move the 8 of spades over, 9 of diamonds up. That frees up this 10 of diamonds, and then we can move this queen over, and then, of course, we have solved the puzzle. And, of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. I would like to thank you for watching, and, of course, if you have not got a chance to, I would highly recommend checking out Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. It's got a bunch of tips I did over a bunch of games, try to condense it down into a bunch of stuff to try to help you out. Hopefully this game helped you out a little bit too as well. Again, thanks for watching, and good luck.